Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily improve battery life on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to settings and then shorten the screen timeout. So go into the display and brightness. Now here, what you guys want to do is basically go to screen timeout. And now change it to either 30 or 15 seconds. I'll change it higher because I want you guys to see the screen and I don't want you guys to see it blacking out. So basically now it's best to set it up as 15 or 30 seconds. Now the screen refresh rate, if you want to improve your battery life, I would use either 60 or 90. I wouldn't go to 120 except for some apps like games on your phone. And also what you guys can do is restrict the background app activity. So it's basically in the battery lab. So scroll down, go to battery lab, and here you will have the battery saving settings, for example, and here you will have the battery optimization. Here you can optimize that to restrict the background activity, and that would be it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.